Well, I started as a freshman in high school here at BGSU Firelands, and um, I just kind of started taking whatever classes I needed to fulfill my high school requirements, but that quickly turned into I finished those so I could take literally anything I wanted to at no cost, which is a huge deal for me. So I got into sociology courses and a lot of biology, which is what led me to my decision for applied health science and finishing my degree here. Initially, I had thought I would be transferring up to main campus for a biology degree, but I really started to come out of my shell, I think, around my senior year, where I got involved in a lot of campus jobs and made a lot of friends, and especially made connections with my professors, which is something I wouldn't have had access to at main campus just because of the sheer mass of students. So just from the connections I made, of course the price had a factor to it, but almost everybody has to take out loans these days to go to any sort of institution. So what the deciding factor for me was the people I would be surrounded with, for sure.